Hello students, I am Rajesh Kumar Gautam sir from Challengers Zone. Today I would like to impart syllabus of semester 1 English Honours. As we can see here on the board, English SCC 1. The full marks of English Honours paper 1 is 100. The theory examination will be of 80 marks and 20 marks will be for internal assessment. You will have 4 units in paper 1 and the question will be set from these 4 different units. The unit 1. What we study in unit 1? In unit 1 we will study poetry. In poetry there will be 2 parts. In part A we have to study nature of poetry, types of poetry and many more. In point 2, we have to study literary terms and meters. So this is the part of poetry. And we can have the detailed explanation in our classroom session. Suppose so many students come from various background. Suppose the student who will take admission in English Honours semester 1, they are from Hindi medium schools and even they have no very good concept about English or grammar. And even some of them cannot understand the spoken as well. That's why I would also like to explain these things in Hindi for your convenience. But at first I would like to explain it in English, and after that once again everything will be discussed in Hindi also for those students who are belonging from village areas and who has passed from government schools. Again in unit 2 we have to study drama. Point A, there will be 2 parts of drama. Point A, nature of drama, elements of drama and so many things what I cannot mention here, because if I will mention everything then you will get messed up, because you can even see the syllabus in hard copy published by Vinoba University, or even you can see in PDF file being provided by university on your mobile phone. In point B, types of drama and dramatic terms. Again, there is unit 3. In unit 3, we have to study about fiction. Again, there are 2 parts of fiction that we have to study. Nature of fiction, elements of fiction. In point B, types of fiction and literary terms. The part of syllabus has been divided into 4 different groups, that is poetry, drama, fiction and extension. And the question will be set from these 4 units and there will be the question of 80 marks from these 4 units. And now we will discuss about the division of marks. As we can see here, distribution of marks. Point first. There will be 16 multiple choice objective questions from unit 1, 2 and 3. हर एक यूनिट से आपको 16 मार्क्स के प्रश्न पूछे जाएंगे. ये MCQ यानी मल्टीपल चॉइस ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चन रहेगा, ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चंस रहेगा. पॉइंट 2, 3 शॉर्ट नोट्स नॉट मोर देन 150 वर्ड्स ईच. To be attempted out of 6 alternatives. आपको 6 प्रश्न दिए जाएंगे और 6 में से आपको हर एक यूनिट से, जैसे कि यूनिट 1B, यूनिट 2B, यूनिट 3B से 2-2 प्रश्न दिए जाएंगे और हर यूनिट से आपको एक-एक प्रश्न का उत्तर देना है. इस प्रकार हम लोग 3 प्रश्न के उत्तर को लिखेंगे और ये एक प्रश्न का उत्तर 8 मार्क्स का होगा. इस प्रकार ये 24 मार्क्स का होगा. 3 short notes not more than 150 words each to be attempted out of 6 alternatives. 2 alternatives is to be set from unit 1B, 2B and 3B. And 3 into 8 is equals to 24. That will be of 24 marks. Again, in point 3, 2 long questions out of 6 alternatives, 2 each to be set from unit 1A, 2A and unit 3, but we have to attempt only 2 questions, and 1 question will carry 15 marks, and that will be 30 marks. So now we can add 16 plus 24, that will be 40, and 30, it will be 70, and in point 4 there is a scansion of 4 lines of any poem from your syllabus. So this will be of total 80 marks. You have to take the theory examination of 80 marks only, and now we will discuss about the marks of internal assessment, what it will be given by your college. In internal assessment, there are 3 points. The first one, on the basis of unit tests, you will get 10 marks. That's why you have to appear in examination, which will be taken by your college regularly, and from that examination or tests, you will get 10 marks. Point 2, seminars, NCC, NSS, sports and extra activities. From that you can get 5 marks. And if you will attend the class regularly and if your behavior will be satisfactory, then you can get 5 marks. That will be of 20 marks. That is the internal assessment. Now we will discuss about paper 2, that is HCC, Honors Core Course 2. In Core Course 2, we have to study about World Classical Literature in English translation. Again, the second paper will be of 100 marks. In those 100 marks, we have to appear in 80 marks examination, and the internal assessment will be of 20 marks. In Unit 1, there is the Iliad written by Homer. In Unit 2, Godan written by Premchand. In Unit 3, there is short stories written by Guy de Maupassant. In Unit 4, chairs. After that, we will discuss about the distribution of marks of paper 2. This is the distribution of marks of HCC 2. Point first, there will be 10 MCQ, multiple choice question from the texts in Unit 1, 2, 3 and 4. And it will be of 10 marks. In point 2, 4 short questions out of 2 alternatives to be set from each unit. You have to write the answer of these questions not more than 150 words. The answer must be given in only 150 words. 4 into 10 is equals to 40. In point 3, 2 long questions out of 2 alternatives to be set from each unit, that is 2 into 15, that is of 30 marks. Again, internal assessment will be same of 20 marks. What I have given you for paper first, that will be completely similar to paper 2. There is no differences in marks of internal assessment. In this way, I have provided you the complete syllabus and overview of syllabus of English Honours Semester 1. I have given you also the distribution of marks of paper 1 and 2. In paper 1, once again I would like to tell that you have to appear in examination of 80 marks and 20 marks will be given from internal assessment from your college. And in paper 2, you have to appear in theory examination of 80 marks and internal assessment will be of 20 marks.